Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're sharing a relaxing and fun-filled family bonding experience sa isa sa mga pinaka-chill na lugar dito sa Taguig, ang TLC Park. Located along C6 Road, this hidden gem offers a peaceful escape from the city hustle. At ang pinakamagandang part, libre ito. Yup, open to the public at perfect for all ages. Pagdating pa lang namin, ramdam mo na agad yung preskong hangin galing sa dagat. Nakaka-relax sobra. Meron agad mga benches sa seaside. Perfect na upuan habang hinihintay ang sunrise or kung gusto mong magmuni-muni lang. Mo rin ang mga bangka sa dagat, pero for your information, hindi ito for joyride kasi ginagamit sila for fish farming, mostly tilapia and other seafoods. Ang galing kasi may livelihood aspect din tong park na to. Kung gusto mo namang mag-exercise or mag-stroll, meron ding jogging path along the seaside. Ang view, sobrang relaxing. You'll see floating cottages in the distance and the open sea. Tapos, kung mahilig ka sa photos, ang dami ring pwede maging shootan dito. May mga aesthetic corners na perfect for IG shots, especially kapag golden hour na. One of the highlights ng TLC Park ay ang bike zone para sa mga bata. May mga small bikes available na pwede nilang gamitin. Perfect para sa gustong matutong magbisikleta. All you have to do is wait in line, then go. It's such a safe space. After maglaro, gutom na of course. Buti na lang, meron silang mga picnic tables around the area. Ang saya ng simpleng bonding moments like this. Walang pressure, just pure quality time. Totoong family-friendly spot talaga ang TLC Park. Hindi crowded, hindi magulo, at malinis. Kudos sa LGU Taguig for maintaining this place. And of course, meron ding playground for kids. Colorful, malinis, at secured. Reminder lang, kailangan ng socks para makapasok. If wala kayo, pwede namang manghiram sa staff, pero mas okay kung may dala na. And speaking of staff, may mabantay sa loob ng playground para sa safety ng mga bata. Pero syempre, hands-on pa rin dapat ang parents.
Slowly, kuya. Slowly. Wait lang. Baka maulog. Isa-isa lang. Slowly, anak. Slowly. Okay, up. Up more. Faster, anak. Faster kayo may mag-slide. Si kuya, mag-slide si kuya. Slide. Oh! Stand up! Oh. Ay! Careful! Ay! Ay! Ay!
Say bye-bye play action. John. Bye-bye play. See you next time. Oy. John. Go. Go na. Sa panahon ngayon na lahat ng bagay may bayad, it's really refreshing to find a place like DLC Park. Libre, maganda at pang-bonding talaga. Whether you're a parent, jogger, nature lover, or someone just looking for peace of mind, this place is worth visiting. Sobrang saya namin ni Mrs. lalo na si Little Axel. Kaya siguradong babalik kami dito ulit at ulit. Thanks for watching guys. Kung gusto nyo rin na ma-experience ang TLC Park, lagay ko na lang sa description ang direction at tips. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more family adventures and hidden gems around the city. Till next vlog, stay safe and keep bonding!
Salamat. Opo. Let's go na, Action John.